Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, guys, I am so excited, but we are going to be unboxing not one, but two Boxycharm boxes. I'll be unboxing the base box and the Boxypremium boxes, both sent to me in PR. So if you guys want to see what I got in here, what my thoughts are, and are these worth it? Well, then definitely keep on watching. Bitch, I got the intro right for the first time. Okay, guys, so as you guys know, I have been on Boxycharm's PR list now for 2 years. Oh my god, for 2 years now, and I'm so grateful to Boxycharm each and every month for gifting these to me in PR. So thank you guys so much. We have definitely been on a roller coaster ride when it comes to Boxycharm. Sometimes they have fantastic boxes, and sometimes they have really piss poor boxes. I will say that January's boxes were actually quite good, and I was actually quite surprised by them, and I really did enjoy my PR boxes. So I'm hoping that this month's box is just going to be just as good. Now, I was a paying customer for almost 4 years, and unfortunately I did let my boxes go because I just wasn't so thrilled with my paid for boxes, especially since I did up the prices on the boxes. So hopefully with all these price increases, these boxes will continue to get better. I did enjoy January's, but we shall see, each time will tell. So I'm gonna go ahead and dive right on in because I'm sure you guys are not here to just see me ramble. So here we have the base box right here. Now this actually does retail for $27.99 a month. That is steep. You do get 5 full-size items in here with like a retail value of $120 plus. It's a steep box. It's a steep price. I'm not gonna lie, it's pretty steep. I remember the days when it was $20 and now it's up to $27.99, not including shipping and handling, which usually puts you around $30 and some change. So we shall definitely see if this is worth the value if the items get better. They promise they will. So let's go ahead and open this together. Alrighty, so this month's box is called Be My Glam-intine. I guess that's kind of cute. Be My Glam-intine. And the very first thing I see is something from OPV Beauty. This is the loose setting powder in the shade Translucent, and this is perfect for setting your foundation or wearing alone. Whether you rely on setting powder to mattify, set, conceal, or diffuse, this formula acts as a finishing touch to bring your whole new look together. Retails for $22, and the reason why I'm smiling is because I just read this in one shot and didn't freaking mess up, so I don't have a blooper for it. I'm excited about that. But OPV Beauty, isn't that like a nail? Isn't that nail stuff? I didn't know they had like makeup products. I don't think I've ever heard of OPV Beauty unless it had to do with nails. Am I right? Am I thinking of the same thing? I'm not thinking of OPI, but I'm thinking of OPV. I swore that was a nail company, but you know, we're gonna look at this together. Based in London. Okay, well, first off, the packaging is super freaking cute. Not gonna lie, it looks very, very similar to the Laura Mercier translucent setting powder, but it's very beautiful. And let's see if it has like a smell to it. I'm always down to try out new setting powders because your girl is super oily, so anything I can do to help contain the oil, I will definitely do. That smells like almost like a minty vanilla. Very, very, interesting. Not going to lie. Okay, well, definitely gonna have to try that out. Alrighty, that's cool. That's exciting. Okay, next we have something from Clara's. I have never heard of this brand before, but this is called Clara's New York Stimulating Retinol Facial Serum. The 96% blend of retinol and vitamin E oils intensively stimulates and moisturizes quenched skin. Retinol provides anti-aging effects by acting as a targeted treatment, promoting skin cell renewal and reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. This does retail for $24.99, and I have never ever heard of this brand before. So this is how the product looks. Doesn't really smell like anything, but I do know that retinol is actually really good for the skin. So I guess we'll have to try this out. Next, we got something from Saturday Skin. This is Yuzu Vitamin C Bright Eye Cream. Damn it, guys. I think I've gone like 2 months without receiving any eye care products, and bitch is back. So we have a buttery eye cream infused with yuzu fruit, a rich vitamin C citrus. Combined with the targeted ingredients such as active vital complex and niacinamide, this eye cream will improve moisture retention, hydrate, and blur the appearance of fine lines. Retails for $32. Oh, guys, I thought I was really gonna get away with not getting any eye care products this year, but I guess Boxy has other ideas. I've heard of Saturday Skin before. I don't remember where I saw them. I don't know if I saw them at Sephora or I think I saw them at a Target. I don't remember actually, but alrighty. Next we got Bali Balm. This is a pineapple lip scrub. This is a rich, indulgent sugar scrub is packed with juicy pineapple fragrance and exfoliating sugar cane crystals to gently buff and polish away dead skin cells. Damn it, I was on a roll. This does retail for $23. This says it's a new launch. I'm not the biggest fan of lip scrubs, honestly. I think lip scrubs can be really, really harsh. Some people really do enjoy them, and that's fantastic. I just, for some reason, find that they really hurt my lips. I don't know. I've never been really the biggest fan of lip scrubs. Bitch! The way that this shit smells. Oh my God. I just want to like... Ooh, it's very soft. Oh no. Oh, that tastes like a sweet pineapple chemical. Yep. It should be safe for consumption because it's a sugar scrub. And a lot of times when you put stuff on your lips, not that you should just sit there and eat it, Allie, but it should be safe for consumption because it is on your lips, so there's a chance that you might ingest it. So I don't think I'm gonna hurt myself by doing that. I don't recommend it, but I will say that it does taste like a sweet chemical, like a sweet kind of pineapple chemical. Artificial pineapple, not real pineapple, but now my mouth tastes like perfume. Okay, last but not least, we do have this Allie Oop. Oh God, I freaking hate that name. I've heard that song, Allie Oop, 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 my whole freaking life. I hate that freaking song because of it. Okay, so this is Allie Oop Multitasker 4-in-1 Makeup Brush. This retails for $28. It says that this is an award-winning multitasking brush combined with 4 essential makeup applicators. We've actually received a brush like this in an Ipsy box a couple months ago. I know I received something very similar to this, whether it's the exact same brush. I know I received something like this before in an Ipsy box, so this is how it looks. I'm not gonna bother taking it out because I know me, I'm not gonna get a use out of it, but here we are. If you guys want me to put this in a No Waste Wednesday, I can. You guys can have a piece of Allie Oop, Oopity Oop. All right, so the total value of this box is $129.99, and I can safely say that I don't like this box. I'm sorry, I really don't. I mean, okay, there are 2 kind of makeup items. You do have the translucent setting powder, you do have a lip scrub, so I do appreciate that. You do have 2 skincares and you have one multi-2, so I do appreciate like 3-to-2 balance, or like there being equal balance, but man, this box was not exciting at all. I don't know, I'm not excited about it. I'm sorry. As grateful as I am to Boxycharm, if I paid for this box, I'd be pretty pissed. I'd be like, really? That's what I got? Like, I don't know. I think because whenever they announce the price increases, they announce better quality items in here, more well-known brands in here. Still waiting on that one. But, yeah, not my favorite box at all. All right, so next we're moving on to Boxypremium. Now, this does retail for $39.99 a month, and you're supposed to have like a value up to like $175 with 5 to 6 items in here. We shall see if we get that. I remember when Boxypremium first started. Oh my God, I loved it so much. I remember, I think like Fenty Beauty was like one of their takeovers for like, I think it was like in March of like 2020. That was a really good box. Alrighty, so this one is called Be My Galentine as well. And the very first thing I see is something from Complex. I recognize it from this, but this is called the Complex Culture Beauty. This is Future So Bright eyeshadow palette. Bring a new look with these jewel-inspired shades that will spark a new attitude. The creamy, buildable matte and shimmer shades can be worn on their own or layered for endless looks. Retails for $30, and this is a new launch. So let's take a look at it. God, wow. Okay, so this is how the shades look. It's actually super pretty, very perfect in time for the Valentine's season, actually. So this is actually a really pretty palette. I don't think I've ever tried anything from Complex Culture in terms of like an eyeshadow palette. I've tried their makeup tools, I've tried their makeup brushes, but I haven't really tried an eyeshadow palette before. But here we have it. That's pretty. All right, next we have Vike. This is a gentle oil-free makeup remover spray. I have never heard of this brand. So this is Vike Beauty Makeup Melt, a makeup removal spray with skincare benefits. Makeup Melt has 4 key antioxidants to nourish your skin after removal, leaving your skin bright, clean, and renewed. This is a brand new brand to Boxy, and this does retail for $24. I've never heard of this brand. I know that like Patrick Starrr has his own like version of this, like a makeup melt, but I personally don't really use these as often. I do use my Juno & Co. like oil cleanser. I really do love that a lot, and it's only like $10. So yeah, I don't know how I feel about this. I'd have to try it out to really give a judgment on it, but I guess that's cool. All right, next we have something from Pretty Vulgar. This is Pretty Vulgar Cosmetics Love Bird Lip Duo. Love Bird Lip Duo combines an ultra pigmented matte liquid lipstick and a high shine moisturizing clear lip gloss, where alone the gloss provides a luxurious non-sticky shine for all of your favorite lip products. Adding the vivid red before the gleaming gloss delivers a perfectly kissable pout. Retails for $30, and this is exclusive to Boxycharm, so I definitely have to check this out. Oh wow, that red though, holy crap. Okay, let me swatch that. You guys know I have a special place in my heart for red lips. I live for red lips. Bitch. Yo, this is such a pretty red. Very, very similar to what I'm wearing on my lips right now, which I am wearing the Lunar Beauty Aphrodite Liquid Lip. Guys, this is, holy crap. I love a really good, beautiful, dark blood red. I just think blood red looks so captivating on anyone who wears it. It makes your teeth look white because it has that purple blue undertone, so it really makes your teeth look pearly white. It flatters so many skin tones out there. It's so versatile. Like, this is such a stunning red. I cannot wait to try this out, and I really do appreciate the fact that they added a gloss with it, because I don't know if you guys know this, but whenever you have deep shades like this, they can be pretty drying. Just because the way that they're formulated, they can be really drying. So I usually like to have a gloss or something on my lips to keep them hydrated. At least with like Lunar Beauty, it is a demi matte, so it doesn't fully dry down. So it does have the capability of transferring, but it's also super comfortable and doesn't make you feel like you have like a Sahara desert on your freaking lips. You're just like water. Like, it doesn't make you feel like that. So I do appreciate the fact that they actually added the gloss. So you can wear the gloss alone, or you can wear it on all the other products, or you can wear it on top of this red. So that is amazing, and it doesn't really have a smell to it. So here we have that right here. That is awesome. I'm excited about that. See, like, this box feels like it's more Valentine's Day. I like that. Okay, cool. All right, next we have something from Dime. This is an eyelash boost serum. Wow, actually, that's really funny, actually. Okay, so this is the grow your own naturally full and beautifully long lashes with the help of this best-selling eyelash boost serum. Improves length, density, and strength of hair and overall follicle health with the proprietary blend of amino acids and peptides. Retails for $44. This is brand new to Boxy. I actually am already currently on a regimen. If you guys don't know, I actually do use Lash Food. Lash Food is truly amazing. I love the brand. They've been so sweet to work with, and they have some amazing products. So I'll probably put this into No Waste Wednesday just because I know what I really do like with Lash Food, and I've been using it for quite some time now. My lashes have really responded well to them, so I don't want to kind of like mess it up. But here we have a lash growth serum right here. And I never actually heard of this brand before. I've heard of Lash Food, and I've heard of Grande Lashes and Brows, but I haven't heard of that one. All right, next we have something from Moonlit. I don't know, the packaging is really pretty. Moonlit Makeup Primed for the Night. An eyeshadow primer with a sheer natural tint and a silky lightweight formula that prevents creasing so it doesn't interfere with your favorite colors. Retails for $18, and this is a new launch. I have never heard of Moonlight Makeup before. This is cute. It's like a little concealer, but for the eyes. Interesting. All right, that's pretty cool. All right, guys, last but not least, we have something from Fenty Beauty. Guys, that packaging, though, stunning. Okay, so this is the Fenty Beauty. This is the Diamond All Over Diamond Veil, a one-of-a-kind diamond dusted highlighter that applies like a 3D glittering veil, delivering pure show-stopping sparkle all over the face and body. It retails for $39. I actually do not have this product. I have quite a few Fenty products, but I do not have this. Let's take a look at this together. Look at how beautiful that is. Very, very gorgeous. And when you open it, wow, I gotta swatch that. So here we have it right here. There we have it as a swatched. Very, very, very beautiful. Definitely like high shine. I feel like you can put this like on like your collar right here to like kind of like give you that glow, right? So now like it kind of looks like look, I'm glittering on my chest. Kind of rub that down a little bit. Ooh. I'm finally living my vampire dreams of being like a Cullen. Oh. All right, guys, let me go ahead and quickly add up the value of the box. All right, so the value is $185, and I have to say, even though there's items in here that I generally don't know anything about, this box contained only makeup, and that makes me so excited because I really do love when there's boxes full of makeup. I mean, I think the only one that's not makeup is kind of like this makeup maneuver, but it kind of is not. I think the Complex palette is absolutely beautiful. Excited to try that out. This lip duo, guys, say no more. Like, beautiful. You guys know I'm excited to try that out. The Fenty product, gorgeous, 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 gorgeous. Then we have an eyelash, then we have an eye primer and an eyelash serum. So I think they did a fantastic job when it came to their premium box. There may be items in here I don't recognize, but I'm excited because it's all makeup. So definitely I feel like well worth it right there. I think especially for like this alone, like I feel like this pretty much covers the value of the box. So that's actually pretty awesome. We had a hit and we had a miss, but yeah, I think the premium was pretty good this month. The base box, shitty. Premium, it's a hit. I enjoy that. That's a good box. So Boxycharm, thank you guys so much for gifting these to me in PR. I really do appreciate it. Let me know in the comments below what you guys think of these products. Are you guys excited about these boxes? Are you guys disappointed about these boxes? I love hearing your guys' opinions when it comes to Boxycharm and Ipsy. Like, I love hearing your guys' like, you know, what your guys' thoughts are. If you guys like them, why you like them, why you don't like them, if you canceled, if you guys subscribe. Like, let me know all that down below. But yeah, that is it for today's video, guys. Hopefully you guys like this video. If you do, please make sure you guys give this video a cheeky thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you guys have not already, because I do post 4 to 5 videos a week. Make sure you guys head over to my other channel. It's R for Life. You guys get to see my cool, wonderful adventures, my amazing husband, Corey. And a huge, huge thank you goes to all these beautiful, wonderful Patreon members you guys see right here. Thank you guys so much for everything. And to my subscribers and viewers, thank you guys so much for being here. Whether you guys like this video, you guys thumbs down this video, you guys subscribed, you guys did not subscribe. Either way, thank you guys so much for being here. I love and appreciate each and every single one of you. So with that said, guys, I love you, and I'll see you guys in the very next video. Bye. I'm hungry. Especially since they did up the adding the red velvet. Oh my god. Perfect. I think we had